Hey art friends, to celebrate spring, I thought it would be a lot of fun to draw a ladybug sitting on top of a flower. Here's what our drawing looks like at the very end. I hope you're really excited to follow along with me. I'm drawing with a marker, but you can use whatever you have. All right, let's get started. Let's first draw our ladybug's face. We'll start by drawing a smile towards the top so that we have room for the flower she's sitting on. We're gonna draw a happy smile there. And then we can draw the eyes next. We'll draw circles about this size on each side of the smile. Then we can draw the highlight or a small circle inside of those eyes to make them shiny. We're going to color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Remember to pause the video if you ever need extra time, especially if I speed it up, like that part. And also if you want to add extra things, you can always pause the video too. Now let's draw her face. I'm going to draw the letter U coming underneath and up on the other side. Then we can draw the top of her head. I'm going to draw an upside down letter U to connect. Then we could draw her hair. I'm going to draw a curve coming up from the left, and then we can draw a curve, a shorter curve coming down to the right. Then a short zigzag up and another curve to the right, another short zigzag, and then connect to the other side. Okay, next we could draw her antennas, but we could also draw them so that they look like ponytails. So first, let's draw a little flower. I'm going to draw a circle on each side. That's for the center of the flower. And then we can draw the petals. I'm going to draw little letter U's that go around that center. And then we can do the same over here. These are the little ties for ponytails, and then we can show the ponytail or the antenna sticking out of the top. And we'll just draw letter U's, but curving off to the side. There we go. Now we're ready to draw her body and her arms and legs and also her wings. Let's first start by drawing her arms, and I'm going to draw them coming into the middle of her body. So I'm going to draw a letter, well, kind of a sideways letter U. That's curving around. Let's turn it into a raindrop. Then we can do the same over here. We're going to start right below her eye. We'll curve around and then go straight into her shoulder. And then we could also give her little gloves too for fun. Next, let's draw her legs or her feet. Let's just draw cute little ovals for the bottom of her feet. And I'm drawing them diagonal. Then we could draw her dress or her body. We'll draw diagonal lines and then curve them into her feet. And then we can connect with a little curve in between her feet. We'll draw her wings at the end. Let's draw the flower she's sitting on. We can draw an oval shape. We're going to draw it coming out of her leg or her foot. We're going to curve around and then connect on the same place, but on the other side. And that's the center of the flower, and we can make the flower really happy too. I'm going to draw a crazy mouth, but you could change this. You don't have to repeat the same step. You could make the mouth completely open or closed. You can change if it has teeth on the top or bottom, and I'm going to add a tongue. And then we can color in right here. Okay, now let's draw our flower's eyes. We'll do the same thing we did for the ladybug. We can draw two circles and then smaller circles for the highlight. And then we'll color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. And remember to pause the video. Now we're ready to add the petals to our flower. Let's start down here at the bottom, and we can draw the letter U for the first petal. And then we're going to draw letter U's going out to the side and going around. I'm going to try to match the same size as this one, even though this got a little smaller. So the next one, let's try to make it bigger. There we go. And we'll keep going until we get all the way to her ladybug. And one more that goes behind her body. Okay, let's do the same thing for the other side. I'm going to try to keep them the same size petals. It's okay if they're not though. Draw one more diagonal here, And then one that goes behind our ladybug. Oh, that one got a little weird. That's okay. It's got a corner. Now we need to draw the wings, and let's draw them behind the petals. So we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out to the side so they're kind of more up in the air. And I'm going to even draw it coming out further. There we go. And then we're going to curve around and into her body, or her head, and match the same over here. And then we can color in underneath here. We'll color this black so it's underneath the wing. And also, while we're here, let's color in her little gloves or her hands and her feet. We can also add the ladybug spots. I'm going to draw an oval and a smaller oval, and we can color those in too. And then on the other side, let's match. We'll draw a medium-sized oval and a small oval. Now let's draw the stem for our flower. We can draw 2 lines coming down from the petal. Then we can draw the leaf. I'm going to draw the center of the leaf coming out, a diagonal curve out to the left. Then we can draw the bottom of the leaf, curving back in. And then the top of the leaf, I'm going to go behind the petal and make it 3D. Imagine it going behind and then connecting back to the stem. And we could do the same thing on the right side. Try to match the same size. Curve for the bottom and curve behind the petals for the top. We did it! We finished drawing our little spring ladybug sitting on a flower, except we still need to color it. This part will fast forward again, but you can pause the video at the end and match my same coloring, or you can color your drawings any way you want. I'm all finished coloring, and I hope you'll take time to color your drawings too, and even add a background to really complete your drawing. And remember, I used my markers to color with, but you can use whatever you have. Crayons work really well, or even colored pencils. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me. Remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than mine. I'm sure they turn out awesome. The most important thing is to have fun and practice, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.